Hello everyone. We have a question. It says that find the set of values of m for which the line with equation y is equals to mx minus 3 and the curve with equation y is equals to 2x square plus 5 do not meet. So the condition given to us is that do not meet. So basically we need all those values of m for which this line will never meet this curve. So the very first step that we have to do is that equate both of them. Both the equations are in the form of y. So just equate both of them, make both of them equal, like 2x square plus 5, which is the equation of the curve, equal to mx minus 3, which is the equation of the line, and after that rearrange it and convert it into a proper quadratic equation, like 2x square over here, this mx over here minus mx, and this 5 and negative 3 over here, positive 3 plus 8. Now it is a proper quadratic form equal to 0. The condition was do not meet. That means the discriminant would be less than 0. That means b square minus 4ac would be less than 0. When b square minus 4ac is less than 0, simply place the value of a as 2, b as negative m, c as positive 8 in this particular discriminant, rearrange it, and after that we can see we have m square minus 64, which is also a quadratic equation. But this quadratic equation does not contain the middle term, that means the m term. So definitely we don't have to go for again using the quadratic equation and finding the values. We can simply write this 64 as 8 square, and we can see that m square minus 8 square is basically a formula which is a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b, and a minus b would result in m plus 8 and m minus 8. From here we can get two values of m. From here we could get a value of m as negative 8, and from here a positive 8, because the quadratic equation is in the form of m. So definitely if we draw a graph, m is basically representing x, and the coefficient of m square is 1. That means positive. A u-shaped graph is formed, and definitely now comes the condition of an inequality which is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. So definitely for having a negative value of y, the value of m that we have to take should be less than 8. If we take any value of m less than 8, if we just look at the graph, if I take this point and draw a line on the graph, we can see we get a negative value of y. So any value less than 8 or any value greater than minus 8 would definitely result in a negative value of m. So finally we can say that set of values are m, which is greater than negative 8, like we have written m is greater than negative 8, and less than 8, less than 8. So these are basically the set of values. If we take these set of values and place it over here in this equation, definitely this line will never meet the curve.